Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jack and I'm with Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 1999 GMC Bluebird. Alright, so this is obviously a school bus here, Type A school bus. Fully equipped with a stop paddle and crossing arm. This is a diesel engine. I believe it is the GM 6.5. Excuse me. The GM 6.5 liter diesel engine. Alright, so we actually have a couple of these on the lot right now. This is a Bluebird Micro Bird. This is a CDL bus. It is currently equipped for 19 people. Alright, so coming on in here, we do have a black ribbed aisleway and stepway. We do have a grab rail here and white step nosing. As far as the driver's seat upholstery, let's see, 188,000 miles. And I just started talking about the upholstery, went to the mileage, sorry about that. Driver's seat upholstery, no rips, cuts, tears, anything like that, looks great. Over here we do have a AM/FM cassette stereo, there you go, bring out all your old tapes. Then your assorted controls here for the fan and the strobe, etc. Manual door here. Coming back here, pretty much your standard school bus style bench seating here. It does have